Further to the video that I did the other day, I decided to give it a crack. In the bottom we've got a battery protected by a circuit breaker, got a couple of watt counters measuring what's going in and what's going out. Just for fun, I've put an e-bike charger on the top there which spits out 58 volts for my e-bike and a couple of USB outlets as well. So here we have our solar panel input connection, and that's connected to, funnily enough, a solar panel that's sitting in the sun there, another panel that's almost in the shade now, and a microinverter hanging on the wall. So it's not perfect. The microinverter needs to see a panel in order to connect to the grid, but once it's connected, as you can see there, just barely you can make out, it's putting out about 3.5 amps. So 93 watts to make up the 215 or 225 watts that the Enphase uses. So as a smoother, if it was cloudy conditions and rolling in and rolling out, the battery would pick it up and then be charging when the sun comes back out, because I've got more, well, nearly 400 watts worth of solar panels on a 215 watt microinverter, so it works quite well. I'm quite happy with the result. This was made out of some exit signs which look kind of neat, and the steel cases that you see, they're emergency lighting that's failed and I rescued from the bin. Couple of crappy circuit breakers. The only thing that I've spent any money on was $30 for the watt meters and $60 for the batteries. So there is a charge controller in there as well. This is something that I had laying around in the garage. It's a 15 amp maximum power point tracking charge controller, but you don't actually need anything that sophisticated for this because we're running a 24 volt battery and a 72 cell panel, which is good to charge a 24 volt battery. Thanks for sharing. Ciao.